Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to go through Agent T room inside TryHackMe. So it is one of the simplest room available on TryHackMe. You can see that I have my Agent T in my TryHackMe browser, and I'm going to join the room. I'm going to start the machine to get the target IP address. On the other hand, I have my Kali Linux. I have created directory agent T inside my directory TryHackMe. So since the start of this series, we had been doing this to keep the things a bit organized. I'm going to note down target IP inside a nodes.txt file. And once that's done, I'm going to cat it so I can see the target IP address appearing on the top. Now let's see, it says what is the flag. There is not much information provided there, so we are just going to run an nmap. Nmap sv target IP. Sv identifies we are looking for the version details as well, so maybe we can find something suspicious inside version details. So the scan can take a minute or two. Once it's done, I can see that there's only apparently one port open, HTTP, PHP. It's running a PHP, you can see a page, and it is PHP 8.1.0-dev. So if we visit the page, it looks like a simple dashboard. Okay, it is a bit interactive. And let me see if the buttons work. Profile, no. So the buttons don't work. They are just like decorative buttons. So it's just a single front end facing PHP. So it's just a single page website or GUI or whatever you like to call. So I'm going to inspect it just to clear my doubts. Maybe sometimes there are hidden links, reference links or comments. And I'm trying to get a general overview of the structure of the code to pick something if there is something which appears off or something which appears indifferent. So there's nothing suspicious in the code. So we are just going to research PHP 8.1.0-dev. So you can research it, or you can just search exploit. Maybe there is some exploit which we can abuse to access the machine or the target server. And okay, the Google results do mention that it is some kind of backdoor. I tried to open exploit DB. It's the most popular website you can use to get information and exploits, but it's not working for me for some reason, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to open GitHub. It says PHP 8.1.0 backdoor RCE, and code. Okay, they have given a code, and okay, it's a Python code, I think. No, it's just information. Okay, here's the information. So there must be a code. Okay, it's there on the left side. It says backdoor PHP 8.1.0-dev. So yeah, so we are looking for the code. Okay, yep, that's the typical Python code, and it's going to provide us a backdoor access to the server. So input, the code structure mentioned that we have to input IP. So let's create a txt file, a Python file, I mean exploit.py, and paste the Python code which we copied. I'm going to save the file. I'm going to list it to verify, okay, the file is there, exploit.py, and I'm just going to run it. So sudo python 3 exploit.py, and that's it, because it's going to ask us the target IP URL. A lot of time we have to include it in the command, but in this case the code is designed so it asks us to input the target IP address. So we HTTP'd, pasted the IP address, and okay, it just like directly gave the access to us. So who am I? I am root. So I am straight up root. It's not even putting us here and there. Okay, let's see. What is the flag? And look close at the, okay, I was trying to get the name of the flag. This way it would be easier for us to search, but I assume it's going to be flag.txt or something simpler. So we can just search. We can use the find command to look for it. So let's just do it. Find /name flag.txt to /dev. I'm not sure about the structure of the command. Yeah, it was wrong. I think null is not a directory. Let me try it again. So find slash name flag.txt 2 slash dev and null. No, I think null is not. Let me try it this way. Yeah, there was not the direction of the dev. Right, so we found flag.txt, cat flag.txt. Okay, we had to use slash again. So these minor mistakes happen, there's nothing to be ashamed of. The flag appeared here. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to paste it in the browser, and there we go. We finished this room like in 5 or 6 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.